It began with a stern warning from Deputy Speaker Lechisa Tsenodi.
We must responsibly address matters that are before the courts without reference to their merits or demerits. We can discuss everything else around those matters without any reference to the merits or demerits of the case. If we do that, we are in contempt of our own rules.
Despite this, the DA was still scathing. It accused the government of being, among others, in contempt of court when it allowed President Al-Bashir to board a plane and head home, when he should instead have been arrested and handed over to the International Criminal Court.
The ANC government, led by Jacob Zuma, has committed a crime of assisting a wanted man to run from the law. Let us for a moment think about what allowing Mr. Al-Bashir to evade the law means to the 300,000 people who were murdered and the 2.5 million people who were displaced in Darfur.
But the ANC hit back, accusing the ICC of having lost its moral authority.
The ICC is losing its direction, its credibility, is being undermined because not everybody wants to go into it. Secondly, we are calling on the United Nations Security Council to no longer have powers of referring matters to the ICC.
Can these members really think we are going to arrest a head of state? They must think again.
The EFF argued that the ICC should go and arrest Al-Bashir in his home country, but that government should nonetheless not have defied a valid court order.
If ICC wants Al-Bashir, it must go and fetch him in Khartoum. That is where he is found, not anywhere else. But we do not agree as the EFF with the deliberate disregard of the court orders by the ANC government, because it sets a precedent for the future defiance of courts.
Smaller parties were divided on the matter.
You lied to us. You said you'd uphold the Constitution, uphold the law, and be the example. You have misled the people of our country. And now we are ashamed before the nations of the world.
President Al-Bashir has been on summits and visits to many countries before. Why this halubalu when he came to South Africa? The court action taken by that reactionary institution is very repulsive and an affront to the national interests of South Africa and the continent.
Sir, forget about FIFA. The Al-Bashir crisis makes the FIFA version look like a Sunday school picnic. No other executive act has ever exposed the ANC as a human rights violator on such a grand scale to the whole world.
The North Gauteng High Court is expected to express itself on the Al-Bashir matter on Wednesday. Lukhano Khalada, SABC News, Parliament.